guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another hair review for you guys from Amazon. Okay, so just to introduce this, so I just bought some hair on Amazon again, and I have not had hair from Amazon that has disappointed just yet. So let's go ahead and open this and do a little reveal for you guys on this hair that I bought. So it's a full front lace closure, or lace frontal, whole frontal, whatever you want to call it. I've never actually done this hair. I always do like the closure and everything like that, the front closure, but I've never done like a full lace or like a full wig or whatever the case is. So this is gonna be a little different for me, and the hair is pretty short. So this is what it looks like. It comes from this thing, and it's coming in a packet like this. And what does it have here? Oh, so they actually give you a liner for your wig cap, which is neat right here, if you guys can see that. So that's what's coming in it. And yeah, wig cap, breathable stretch fabric, and you can see it's like really holey, so you're gonna have some space to breathe, honey, when you put that wig on. And then nature afro natural hairstyle. Y'all, I don't know what this is, but yeah, we just gonna go with it, cause we just gonna go with it. But all right, so let's go ahead and take this hair out and see what it's giving me here. So initial, it seems really full, really lengthy. This hair is short hair, so we'll see how that comes out. But all right, so first feel, it feels pretty soft. I feel like the ends are a little bit rough, but the hair itself seems really soft. And that could be just me and my initial thoughts. But again, so it has clips inside of it, so you could clip this in your hair. So I'm guessing you probably don't even have to glue it if you don't want. And it does also have the stretchy bands on it. So if you need to adjust it to your head, if your head is smaller, God forbid, if your head is bigger, at least it will stretch out a little bit so it can fit on your head. And as you can see, it doesn't have too much of like discoloration on the hair, so it's all uniform. This will be some cute hair to wear. I can't wait to try and install this. And okay, so I wouldn't say it's a full lace frontal. Reason why I say that, because it only has that net right at the front here. So it's like pretty much they sewed on the closure and then made the wig for you. So it's not the full frontal lace frontal. It's just the front of it is the closure part of it. And so, which makes me question how many ways can you part the hair? Is it just gonna be in the middle or on the sides? I'm not really sure, but I could tell you guys once I do the installation of the hair, so I could show you guys. But overall, I mean, the hair is full. The ends are really full, as you can see here. Let me show you. The ends are really full. The hair is really nice and curly. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave you guys with that review. And again, once I have I'll do like a video for you guys installing the hair, so you guys can see how it's done, or so we can learn together again. Because I usually don't wear wigs. I wear like the actual full sew-in. And then also I will put the description of the hair below in my description below here if you want to order the hair as well. Again, I will have another review of the hair when I actually install it, so we can install it together and then go from there. And it shouldn't take long since it is a wig. But yeah, initial thoughts of the hair, it seems really soft. The ends to me are a little bit rough, but it's not bad. For the price that I bought this, I think I bought it for $50 something because it had a coupon on it, like a 20% coupon off. It's not bad at all. Again, we shall see how it actually is once I install it. But initial review, I'm cool with it. Like, it feels good. It was not shedding. I don't have any hair actually on me. Looks like we have a strand or two on the ground here. But I mean, it's not shedding like that, so I'm cool with it. Again, I'll have the review of when I'm installing it and everything like that for you guys, so stay tuned. And thanks again for watching my channel. If you guys like this hair, after I give you guys more details and more review on it, please go purchase it. All right, so catch you guys on the flip side.